Have you ever pondered over the power and potential of big data in our digital era? It's a fascinating concept, really. Big data is like a vast, uncharted ocean of information, growing exponentially every day. It's made up of every tweet, every click, every purchase, every sensor reading, a digital footprint of our lives and our world. But it's not just about the size. The real power of big data lies in our ability to harness it. It's a critical asset that is driving transformative changes across various sectors. It's fueling business innovation, shaping policy decisions, and even redefining how we understand our world. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, big data is at the heart of our digital evolution. Its insights can help us predict trends, optimize operations, and make smarter decisions. Big data, undoubtedly, has the potential to revolutionize our world, but managing it can be a daunting task. And that's where data governance comes into play. Stay tuned. So how do we navigate the vast ocean of big data? The answer lies in effective data governance. Data governance is, in essence, the management framework for data. It's the policies, procedures, and practices that ensure the quality, integrity, and security of data. Think of it as the captain of a ship, steering us through the turbulent seas of big data. It ensures that the data we use is accurate, reliable, and secure, thereby making our journey smoother and safer. But why is it crucial? Well, imagine sailing without a compass. The risks are immense. Similarly, poor data governance can lead to a multitude of issues, from data breaches to compliance issues. Decisions based on inaccurate data could be as disastrous as a ship running aground. Data breaches could expose sensitive information, damaging reputations, and resulting in significant financial losses. Compliance issues could lead to heavy fines and legal troubles. Therefore, data governance is not just an option, but a necessity in today's data-driven world. Effective data governance depends on several factors. It's like keeping the ship in top condition, ensuring the crew is competent, and having a clear course charted out. To ensure data quality, integrity, and security, it's important to have well-defined policies, competent data stewards, and robust compliance monitoring mechanisms. Indeed, data governance is the compass that guides us through the big data landscape, mitigating risks and ensuring compliance. But what does it take to implement effective data governance? Well, the magic lies in three key elements: technology, people, and processes. These components don't exist in isolation, but rather they act as gears in a well-oiled machine, each playing its part in the success or failure of data governance. Let's start with technology. It's the backbone of data governance, providing the tools and systems necessary for data collection, storage, and analysis. But, like any tool, it's only as good as the hands that wield it. That's where people come in. They're the ones who set the rules, make the decisions, and ensure everything runs smoothly. They're the stewards of data, if you will. Now, processes are the glue that binds technology and people together. They're the step-by-step guides on how to use the tech, how to make decisions, and how to ensure data quality, integrity, and security. However, these elements can also be the downfall of data governance if not managed correctly. Outdated technology, untrained staff, or inefficient processes can lead to data breaches, compliance issues, and poor decision-making. So, for effective data governance, focus on policy formulation, data stewardship, and compliance monitoring. Ensure your technology is up to date, your people are trained, and your processes are efficient. Remember, the effectiveness of your data governance strategy is as strong as its weakest link. Are you confident in your current data governance strategy? It's a question worth considering, given the dynamic nature of big data. The landscape is constantly changing, and your approach to managing and protecting your data should be just as flexible. Consider this: data governance isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires regular evaluation and adjustment. It's about understanding where you are and where you want to go. It's about identifying gaps, addressing weaknesses, and leveraging your strengths. Do you have a clear policy in place? Are your data stewards fully equipped to manage your data? Are you consistently monitoring compliance? These are the types of questions that can guide your assessment and help you pinpoint areas for improvement. In the rapidly evolving world of big data, continuous learning and adaptation are not just beneficial, they're essential. So take a step back, reassess, and keep striving for better. In the realm of big data, Vigilance, adaptability, and effective data governance are your keys to success.